Hey guys, happy Chinese New Year! Today I'm gonna talk about how to celebrate Chinese New Year in Glasgow. The Chinese New Year is the most important festival in China. This year is the year of the dog, and it won't come around again until 2030. Those born during the year of the dog are said to possess the best traits of human nature. They are responsible, honest, faithful, and loyal. But according to old Chinese tradition, people born during the year of the dog should be wary, because one's 本命年 or the zodiac year in which you're born predicts bad luck for the coming year ahead. But to be honest, this is not true. Most of Chinese people are happy when their 本命年 comes around, and some famous individuals were born during the year of the dog, like Winston Churchill, Confucius, Bill Clinton, George Bush Jr., Justin Bieber, and Donald Trump. Dogs are cute. Most Chinese people like dogs. But many Western friends asked me, do Chinese people really eat dogs? It's really an interesting question actually, and I think I need to explain this. Dog meat is not a common food in China. China is a very big country. We have 56 ethnic groups and more than 5,000 years history. Some people from particular area of China do eat dogs because of religion and tradition, but they don't eat pet dogs. Pets are too expensive for them to eat. They only eat dogs that are raised particularly for meat, just like beef and pork. So only a few Chinese eat dogs, but most of Chinese not. So how do we celebrate Chinese New Year? Usually we spend time with our families and we make dumplings, have a dinner in the New Year Eve, but it's slightly different in Glasgow. All my families are in China and I can't spend time with them, but it's still alright. I made dumplings and had a dinner with my friends. The most common activity in the New Year Eve is watching Spring Festival Gala. Fortunately, I could watch the broadcast on YouTube, and I felt so homesick when I was watching it. But I was still quite happy spending time with my friends. We went to karaoke, which may be the most popular activity in China. Played traditional Chinese games, and went to Glasgow Chinese New Year Carnival in the city center. That was awesome. I thought I was in China at that moment.